So we're walking back on this trail. I believe it's back called what they call Wall Street, where you hike up the river. It's $45 a person to rent the water shoes and basically what amounts to a dry suit. And you get your walking stick. Get your hike back on this trail and eventually get to where you go in. One couple said they did about 10 miles. Not sure if that's in and back or what. I know there's one like tributary you can go up a certain ways. And then cut back and follow up the main river again.